Here it is, the Dirty Bird out in the sunlight. She's pretty rough, covered in salt, road grime. Got a nice quarter dent there. That'll buff out. Do you see these orange mirrors? Oh yeah, and then check it out. Matching lips on the rims, what? I'm pretty sure they tried to do the matching orange on the little hood vents, but they must have ran out of paint or something. She comes stock with a pink steering wheel cover. Console's missing a lid. As you can see from the water down here in the cup holders, T-tops are leaking. Oh yeah, you see back there, that's a pink shoulder holder right there. You don't want to get your shoulder messed up. Whoosh. Here's the interior aftermarket radio. We got about 183,000 on the odometer. Missing a vent, crack in the dash. Absolutely no headliner, but the mirror looks good. There she is, folks, the Dirty Bird. Now it's time to do some burnouts.